Our journey begins inside a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility where raw cast iron billets are prepared to be transformed into precision-engineered components. The process starts with power and precision as thick metal pipes are cut to exact lengths. Slow motion reveals the intense energy, leaving a glowing, perfectly smooth surface. Next, glowing molten iron is centrifugally cast into spinning molds. This critical step forms the fundamental shape of the cylinder sleeve amidst clouds of steam and radiant heat. The newly cast sleeves cool on racks. You can see the heat haze dissipate as they transition from a fiery red-hot state to solid, dark metal ready for machining. High-speed CNC machines begin the rough turning. Long, continuous ribbons of metal shavings curl away as heavy oil splashes, shaping the exterior with raw power. A precision deep boring operation follows, carving out the internal diameter. A constant flow of coolant ensures a smooth, flawless surface begins to take shape. Further CNC machining refines the sleeve's exterior, shaping flanges and grooves with rapid, perfectly symmetrical tool movements, showcasing incredible precision. The honing process creates the signature cross-hatch pattern inside the liner. This intricate texture is essential for retaining oil and ensuring a perfect piston fit. For ultimate strength, the sleeves are heated in a furnace until glowing bright red, then dramatically quenched in an oil bath, sizzling as they harden. Automated grinding and polishing bring the outer surface to a mirror-like finish. Slow motion captures the sparks as a glossy, reflective surface is revealed. A final, ultra-fine honing pass refines the inner surface. Extreme close-ups reveal the beautiful complexity of the crosshatch texture. Perfected for performance, quality control is paramount. An automated laser scanner meticulously inspects every dimension, ensuring each sleeve meets exact specifications with unwavering accuracy. High-pressure industrial washing blasts away any residual debris. Powerful jets of water and oil ensure each sleeve is immaculately clean before the final stages. The finished sleeves move smoothly along the conveyor line, stacked and ready for the next phase, a testament to the efficiency of modern automation. Here is the final product, a perfect polished cylinder sleeve, a marvel of industrial engineering, reflecting the precision, quality, and power forged within the factory.